Hi guys, welcome to Peep and Moon. I'm Rashita and today we are going to chat with Namit Das, who's all set to be seen in Hotstar series Arya.
Because this character is everything
Yeah,
uh, that I am not.
true.
So that really became the challenge in this case. And when I was quite a late entry into Arya, so
Yeah,
that's why I couldn't go through the workshop process, and also I was busy with other things at that point of time. So that's why I couldn't be part of the formal workshops, which all the other actors were part of.
yeah,
But nevertheless, when I came on board, I was really scared. I was really feeling that I was a fish out of water. But it was Ram's creative genius and Sandeep Modi and the other directors uh, uh, who just got me through this, and I sailed through this. And before I knew, it was 6th March, and we were actually done with it. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. And as you told, it was your character, something that it's completely unlike you. It's not you. So tell me something more about the character because when I was also watching the trailer, I felt the same thing that this is, completely something you're playing for the first time, and then it's really suiting you also.
Oh, I'm really happy you're saying that,
Yeah.
because I was very apprehensive about how the audiences would receive me in such a part. I've done parts earlier,
Yeah.
where I have had gray shades,
Yeah. You have.
but this is a gray character. This
Yeah.
is like, this is not a shade of gray.
I know. Yeah.
This is a badass guy, that you want to be wary of. You don't like him. You don't
Yeah.
like, you trust him, but you don't trust him. It's that kind of a character. And earlier I have played, like, quirky, happy, really smiling sort of
Yeah.
characters, which are really nice and all of that. So yeah, it was a challenge, and what I'm really happy about, and it's really overwhelming. And I'm genuinely saying that this is really
Mhm.
overwhelming for me, is the fact that the calls that I'm receiving from everyone are that, Namit, the trailer is fabulous, and you are looking so different. Everyone
Yeah.
is telling me that,
That's true.
and it's not like we don't like this different side of you.
Yeah.
We like it, and we really want to just hold on,
Yeah.
and we really want to know what you have to offer in this part. So I'm also very excited sharing this side with the audiences.
Okay. So recently, actually, one of my colleague also spoke with the director Ram Madhvani, and he actually spoke about you saying that I wanted a person who looks very cute, is always smiling, and people will not assume that he could play a character like this. So how has your
Hmm.
been with him, and the casting process, everything?
Ram is a brilliant director, but not only is he a brilliant director, but he's also a brilliant human being.
Okay.
And the casting process was what I told you
Yeah.
earlier. But I think the shooting experience was even more fun with Ram, because I think there's only one Ram Madhvani in this industry,
Okay.
and there can be only one Ram Madhvani, because the way he he functions in his world, and his world is so beautiful.
Okay.
Like, for example, and I've been saying this all throughout this campaign, this PR campaign, is the fact that there is no action and cut on a Ram Madhvani set. You know your character, you know the
Yeah.
lines, but actors don't rehearse. Okay,
Oh.
they don't rehearse. So what they do is that they come, we discuss the scene,
Okay.
and then we just go for the shoot. That's it. We shoot it, and it's not shot like, okay, this is a close up that we have to shoot now, or this is a long shot of yours that I want to take. No, it's coverage. It's this 360 coverage, say 360-degree coverage that we keep talking about.
Yeah.
So many a times it's a very complex scene. For example, a scene where it's a party, and
Yeah.
there are some 23, 24 primary characters which are going through their journey at that point of time. So you are doing everything. It's like a party. It's like how you and me would be in a
Yeah.
party, going from one person to the other, and then talking, and then coming back to your scene, to your main scene. But at the same time, you also, after a point of time, you really forget that there is a camera.
Yeah. Okay.
But the truth is that there is someone
Yes.
watching it. There is one camera which is always watching you. So you can't be out of character. And that is the beauty of it. Because this is the closest that I can get to being someone else.
That's true.
And Ram Madhvani and his creative team gives you that opportunity.
That's nice. Also, recently I was just going through one of your interviews, and you said that Sushmita Sen has made the show really unique. So I would,
Yeah.
so many people who have worked with her in the past and have wanting to work with her again. So how was it, being with her on the set, working with her?
She's fantastic. She is, I don't want to use the word senior, but she's someone who's been in this industry for a very long time, and a true thorough professional at that. And nowhere did I feel that the persona or the aura of Sushmita Sen was sort of disturbing our working environment in on set. That aura is what makes Arya, and it was constantly being channelized in a way that it makes the character, that it makes the show, that it makes all of us comfortable in front of her, because she's a personality, man. She's gorgeous. She walks
That
into
is
a
true.
room and she is so gorgeous, and she's Sushmita Sen at the end of the day.
Yeah.
But nowhere do you feel that, because she's she's a very, very personal sort of a person.
Okay.
And one of the most beautiful things about her is that when she's talking to you, she's only talking to you. She's not talking to anyone else. What a beautiful thing. And I don't think I have that personally, because if I am having a conversation with you, I'm also having many mental conversations with the people around.
Yeah.
I But that's a great quality, and that itself eases you. It makes you easy in front of her, and then you can be whatever you want to be. And then it's like any other process with any other actor, any other good actor that you would have. You would discuss the scene, you would talk about the scene, and then you would go ahead and shoot it. It's easy.
Yeah.
It's because she's such a great person.
Okay, that's great. Also, even today, when you go to see, there are several actors who don't want to play a character which either has a gray shade in it, or it's called a negative
Hmm.
role. But when you,
Hmm.
as you told, when you read it, when you read your role, you liked it a lot. But at the back of your mind, did you have this hesitation at all?
No, 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 no. I don't have those kind of hesitate. I'm not hesitant in playing anything, actually. I need to. I think my hesitation and my resistance sometimes comes from the fact that sometimes there are times when I feel incompetent. There are times when I feel that maybe I'll not be able to pull this off. But that's it. That's where it ends.
Okay.
But otherwise, I'm always with the director. I'm always trying to find out what he wants to communicate through my character.
Yeah.
And it can be any emotion. I'm an actor at the end of the day. I have to dig into myself and dig into different parts of me
Yeah.
to become these different people.
Okay. And what is it like when you are offered a project and you are, going through the script? What is that one thing that makes you personally as an actor say yes to some show or a film or project? What is it?
I think the director and his creative team,
Okay.
and also what's the vision behind the show or the film or on any other project that I would be taking over. Because the vision needs to be sorted. The
Yeah.
vision needs to be sharp. And if it has that, then why not? And in the case of, say, a Ram Madhvani or say a Meera Nair,
Yeah.
another project which will be coming out, soon, and we'll be
Suitable.
talking soon about that.
Yeah.
Suitable Boy. You are not in a position to say no to these projects. I
Yeah.
mean, these are things which come your way. This is a gift that the universe sort of throws at you. Now you should be ready to catch it and
That's true.
give your best.
Okay. Thank you so much, Namit, for chatting with me. All the very best for the show.
Thank you, Baba.
Yeah.
Take care,
Bye-bye.
Baba.
Take
Take
care.
care.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.